Yo guys, got another free shader for you guys here. It's kind of like a CRT screen LED slash screen shader. I had a project where I was making a mug and I had some computer screens in the background, and for some reason they just didn't look right until we added this shader onto it, and it made it just look a lot better. First thing, I've got to give props where props is due. I learned how to do this from Silverwing's VFX channel. Give Ralph a check out. He does stuff for Cinema 4D, but he also uses Octane, and he also plays around with Octane Blender. He's got a really great Octane Blender course here that will help you guys, especially if you're coming from C4D, to get familiar with the Blender Octane. So take a look at that. Well, anyways, in this file, he's got these three different types of RGB. If you look here on our screen here, we've got these double lines here. That looks really, come on, look at that, guys. That looks absolutely fantastic. So what I did was I recreated the shader, but I put all three of those into one file here for us. And what you can do here is I'm going to quickly show you how, again, you can download this at Gumroad if you guys are not in the community. It's free. Just enjoy, have fun. DM me on Instagram if you make something cool with it. But what I did was add this switch node in here, and we can switch between the three different types of pixel types here. So right now I'm on 3, which is my favorite. We go to 2, you see we've got this one here, which is this different one here, and then we go to 1 and we've got this different one here, which these are kind of like a little bit more blurred or something like that. So you've got the 3 to go through. It's a very easy switch there between that. And then what you can do is you come in here and you can go ahead and change out your image, put whatever image you want for your screen to be on there, and then you'll have that control there. And then there's also this little option here we've got set up here where the min and max. So if you have like if you have your screen and it's putting a glare out and you want to, this is basically allows you to control the brightness a little bit more independent of what's actually being I guess, on, like, if you have something on the ground, for example. Let's go ahead and just quickly throw a plane down here, and you see this reflection here on the ground. Now if I come back to the shader here, I can control, if I hold down shift, I can control the brightness, but look at the shader. Look at the reflection on the, it still is staying the same, right? So it just gives you a little bit of more control. Again, using this range output node, it's very fine detail as far as the movement there goes. So, you know, keep that in note. You can just play with that. That just gives you a little bit more control. And then I can also control the overall brightness of the screen here with this value here. So I'm going 0, 1. If I go under 20, right? If we go over 30, something like that. So that controls the actual screen. And that's pretty much it. If you wanted to give, you know, like some fingerprints and stuff like that on the screen, that's where you'll come in here and start adding in, like, for example, we can add in a noise texture. I come in here, shift, noise texture, right? Grab that noise texture. I can plug that into the roughness here. And then, you know, you can just, if I go ahead and solo, you see what we're doing there. There is the roughness. And again, we can just size that up, something like that, and come in here, go like 50 on the contrast, and just kind of like, you know, play whatever you want to do. And then that will be kind of like your screen, right? And so, which we're probably not really seeing it that good in this here because we don't have any other lights in this to reflect off of that, which I can see a little bit down here on the bottom. Now we can kind of see it playing in there again. So quickly, just to show you guys, but you can download this shader for free. Links down in the description. Hope you guys enjoy. Just a quick short one here. Also take a look, I just released a new video for the Blender 101 guide. Hope you guys enjoy. Take a look at the Blender Octane School 7-day free trial. Patrick Lavar, catch you guys in the next one. Peace.